Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check out on your order on Temu. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead first, access your Temu on either on your browser, typing in temu.com, or you can access it on your app as well. Once I've opened up your app, this is how the interface should look like with all of the deals. Right, once I've gone to the sign-in section, this is how your interface gonna look like with all of the products available for you to do. You start your purchasing. Now for you to check out, all you gotta do is choose the one that you would like to buy. Let's say for example this is the one. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this add to cart, and once tap on this add to cart, choose your sizes, add to cart. Now you're gonna go to cart over here. We will find all of our products. We're gonna go ahead, choose the one that we like to. Right, once we have chosen the products that we would like to check out with, and then we're going to tap on checkout section, and where we will have to just add our information, country and reason. Choose if it's incorrect over there, and then add in your full name, last name, your address, your phone number, and tap on save. Once you've added delivery address, then you have to go through the payment section. Go and provide your payment, and once you've done the payment, you're good to go. Your checkout has been done, and that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.